The knees, marvels of engineering, bear the brunt of our body weight with every step. For those who engage in physical activity, strong, stable knees are essential to prevent injury and support optimal performance. Yoga, with its focus on bodyweight exercises and controlled movements, offers a fantastic way to build knee strength without the impact of high-intensity workouts. This guide, Knee Strength Yoga, delves into the world of knee strength yoga, exploring the benefits, key poses, and modifications to ensure a safe and effective practice for all fitness levels. Why knee strength yoga? Whether you're a seasoned athlete, a weekend warrior, or simply seeking to improve your everyday mobility, incorporating knee strength yoga into your routine offers a multitude of benefits. First up, improved stability. Knee strength yoga poses engage various muscle groups around the knee joint, enhancing stability and reducing the risk of wobbling or misalignment. This translates to better balance and coordination in everyday activities. Next, enhanced strength. Strengthening the muscles surrounding the knee, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, provides a strong foundation of support for the joint. This reduces stress on the knee itself and minimizes the risk of injury. Additionally, increased flexibility. Knee strength yoga stretches and loosens tight muscles around the knee, improving range of motion and flexibility. This allows for deeper squats, lunges, and other movements often restricted by tight muscles. Pain management. Knee strength yoga can be a powerful tool for managing knee pain caused by conditions like arthritis or overuse injuries. Gentle stretches and strengthening exercises can improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and alleviate pain. Lastly, the mind-body connection. Knee strength yoga emphasizes the connection between the mind and body. By focusing on your breath and proper form during poses, you develop greater awareness of your knees and learn to move with intention. Key knee strength yoga poses. While many knee strength yoga poses offer knee strengthening benefits, here are some foundational asanas to incorporate into your practice. Warrior poses, Virabhadrasana 1, 2, 3, benefits. These variations of warrior pose strengthen the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, boosting overall leg strength and improving knee stability. They also enhance balance and coordination. Instructions: begin in mountain pose, Tadasana. Step 1 foot back with a large lunge, bending the front knee and keeping the back leg straight. Raise your arms overhead for Warrior 1 or reach one arm forward and the other back for Warrior 2. In Warrior 3, extend your back leg straight back and reach your arms forward. Hold for several breaths, focusing on aligning your knee over your ankle and maintaining a square hip position. Repeat on the other side. Chair pose, Utkatasana. Benefits: chair pose strengthens the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, mimicking the action of sitting down and standing up. It improves knee stability and aids in building functional strength. Instructions: stand with your feet hip-width apart and arms at your sides. Bend your knees as though sitting in a chair, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Extend your arms overhead and hold the pose for several breaths. Ensure your knees track over your ankles and avoid letting them cave inward. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Benefits: bridge pose strengthens the hamstrings and glutes, which are crucial for knee stability and proper movement mechanics. It also improves hip mobility and flexibility. Instructions: lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips off the ground, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Interlace your fingers under your body for added support. Hold the pose for several breaths, squeezing your glutes and keeping your core engaged. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Benefits: downward facing dog strengthens the entire posterior chain, including the hamstrings, calves, and glutes, which contribute to knee stability. It also stretches the shoulders and hamstrings, improving flexibility. Instructions: begin on your hands and knees with your knees hip-width apart and hands shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back and straighten your legs as much as possible, forming an inverted V shape. Engage your core and keep your heels reaching towards the ground. Hold the pose for several breaths, focusing on lengthening your spine. Tree pose, Vrksasana. Benefits: tree pose strengthens the ankles and core, enhancing overall balance and stability. This indirectly benefits the knees by improving proprioception, body awareness, and reducing the risk of falls. Instructions: stand with your feet hip-width apart. Lift one foot and gently place it on your inner calf, ankle, or thigh, never directly on the knee joint. Maintain a straight spine and reach your arms overhead. Hold for several breaths, focusing on balancing and keeping your core engaged. Repeat on the other side. Modifications for knee strength yoga. For those with existing knee injuries or limitations, it's important to modify poses to ensure a safe and effective practice. Here are some modifications for the poses mentioned above. In warrior poses, if lunges cause discomfort, perform a shorter lunge or keep your back knee slightly bent for added support. You can also utilize a block or chair to rest your hand on for balance if needed. Moving on to chair pose, sit on a sturdy chair if squatting fully is difficult. You can gradually decrease the chair height as your strength improves. For bridge pose, keep one foot flat on the floor for added stability if lifting both heels is challenging. Place a rolled-up towel or yoga block under your lower back for extra support. In downward facing dog, bend your knees as much as needed to maintain a flat back and avoid straining your hamstrings. Perform downward facing dog with your hands elevated on blocks or a sturdy chair if bending your wrists is uncomfortable. Lastly, for tree pose, rest your foot on a chair or stable object instead of your leg for better balance. Additional tips for knee strength yoga. Listen to your body. Always prioritize proper form over intensity. If you experience any pain, modify the pose or stop altogether. Warm up and cool down. Dedicate a few minutes to gentle warm-up exercises before your practice and cool down stretches afterward. Focus on breath. Coordinate your breath with your movements throughout the practice. Inhale as you lengthen and exhale as you release. Seek guidance. If you're new to yoga or have specific knee concerns, consider working with a qualified yoga instructor who can tailor the practice to your needs. Building a knee strength yoga routine. Once you've familiarized yourself with the key poses and modifications, you can create a personalized knee strength yoga routine. Here's a sample beginner-friendly sequence. Warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes, gentle joint rotations, cat-cow stretches, and light lunges to prepare your body. Sun salutations, Surya Namaskar, optional, 5 to 10 minutes. A dynamic sequence of poses that warms up the entire body and can be modified to be knee-friendly. Standing poses, 15 to 20 minutes, warrior 1, 2, 3, chair pose, tree pose, all with modifications as needed. Floor poses, 15 to 20 minutes, bridge pose, downward facing dog, modified if needed, child's pose, balasana, for rest. Cool down, 5 to 10 minutes, gentle stretches for your hamstrings, calves, and glutes. Supine twist, Supta Matsyendrasana, to promote relaxation. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to practice knee strength yoga 2 to 3 times per week for optimal results. As your strength and flexibility improve, you can gradually increase the duration and intensity of your practice. Beyond the mat, strengthening your knees in everyday life. Knee strength. Yoga is a fantastic tool for strengthening your knees, but incorporating these practices into your daily life can further enhance their health and stability. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight puts unnecessary stress on your knees. Aim for a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Choose impact-friendly activities. Opt for low-impact exercises like swimming, cycling, or elliptical training to maintain cardiovascular health without stressing your knees. Strengthen your core. A strong core provides better overall stability and reduces stress on the knees. Engage your core muscles throughout the day and incorporate core strengthening exercises into your workouts. Footwear matters. Invest in supportive shoes with good arch support and cushioning to absorb impact during everyday activities. Proper form during exercise. Whether lifting weights or doing everyday tasks, ensure proper form to avoid placing undue stress on your knees. Listen to pain signals. Don't ignore knee pain. If you experience persistent pain, consult a healthcare professional to identify the cause and get proper treatment. By incorporating knee strength yoga and these lifestyle practices into your routine, you can build strong, stable knees that will support you in all aspects of life. Conclusion: knee health is crucial for an active and fulfilling life. Knee strength yoga offers a safe and effective way to build strength, stability, and flexibility in your knees. By combining this practice, knee strength yoga, with a healthy lifestyle, you can empower yourself to move with confidence and enjoy the activities you love. Remember, progress takes time and dedication. Be patient with yourself, listen to your body, and celebrate your achievements along the way. With consistent effort, you'll be well on your way to achieving strong, resilient knees that will carry you far. Thank you for watching this video, Knee Strength Yoga.